Since KFC refused to bring back the original Twister wraps, I've got you covered with a healthy and easy version that tastes even better. Start by cutting up your chicken breast and season each side with salt, garlic powder, pepper, and paprika. Then grab corn flakes, add the same seasonings as before, and crush it into smaller pieces. And for the KFC pepper mayonnaise, mix together light mayo, ground pepper, and lemon juice. From here, soak each piece of chicken in egg whites and coat it in the crushed corn flakes. Spray the chicken with some light cooking oil spray and bake it in the oven or air fryer with the settings on screen. Then grab a low-calorie tortilla, add some lettuce, the chicken, diced tomato, the sauce on top, wrap it up and enjoy. These Snickers donuts are only 85 calories each and the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth while staying on track with your diet. In a bowl, add 1 egg, then add oat flour, plain or flavored low-fat Greek yogurt, baking powder, and your choice of sweetener. I'm using monk fruit. Then add PB2 or regular cocoa powder and caramel or vanilla flavor drops. Then mix it all together until it's nice and thick and pour the mixture into a non-stick donut baking tray and bake it in the oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now in a bowl, add chocolate protein powder, cocoa powder with a bit of milk, mix it together, add a bit more cocoa powder and mix it again. This will give you the smoothest chocolate sauce. Then coat each donut in the sauce, add some crushed peanuts on top with a drizzle of caramel sauce on each one. And that's it. These are so delicious. Everyone loves butter chicken and rice, but if you haven't tried butter chicken pasta, it is the best combo and I promise it's going to be your new favorite dish. Grab your diced chicken breast and add the seasonings which will be listed on the screen right now. Then add garlic, ginger, low-fat Greek yogurt and mix it all together. To a pan on high heat, add light butter, sliced onions, cashew nut butter or regular cashew nuts, a can of diced tomatoes and the same seasonings you use on the chicken. Add a bit more yogurt, mix it together, transfer it to a blender cup and blend until it's nice and smooth. Now it's time to cook up your chicken, and while the chicken's cooking you can also cook your pasta at the same time. Once it's cooked, add the sauce on low heat with the drained pasta, mix it all together, make sure everything is coated and mixed well, then top it off with some light cream and coriander. And that's it. Enjoy and drop a follow for more. This massive chocolate lava cake is only 300 calories with 53 grams of protein and only takes 10 minutes to make. In a bowl, add chocolate protein powder, cocoa powder, baking powder, flavored or plain low-fat Greek yogurt, and your choice of sweetener. I'm using monk fruit. Then add this exact amount of water and mix it together until there's no more lumps. Now you can either microwave it or bake it in the oven with the settings on the screen right now. And for the chocolate sauce, it's important to do it in this exact order. Go in with chocolate protein powder, then milk, mix it together, and then add your cocoa powder and mix it again one more time until it's nice and smooth. Add some light whipped cream with the chocolate sauce on top, and that's it. It's super easy, soft, and delicious. Tastiest low-calorie and high-protein strawberry cheesecake. It's easy to make, and you'll be blown away with how good these macros are. In a blender cup, add light cream cheese, 1 egg, a tiny drop of vanilla extract, low-fat Greek yogurt, your choice of sweetener such as monk fruit or stevia, vanilla or strawberry protein powder, blend it together, pour it into a lined baking dish, and bake it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Once it's baked, set it in the fridge for 1 hour, then to a pan on high heat, add strawberries with a little bit more sweetener, mix it around and then blend it to make it nice and smooth. Once you've done that, add a little bit of cornflour mixed with water to make it nice and thick. And for the toppings, I added the strawberry glaze with 1 crushed biscuit, strawberries and melted white chocolate. Leave it in the fridge for half an hour, cut it up and enjoy. These sweet chili chicken noodles are so easy to make and the perfect meal prep that you will never get sick of. Grab your diced chicken breast, add paprika, pepper, salt. In a bowl, add corn flour with the same seasonings, add it to the chicken, then mix it around to coat the chicken completely. Then place the chicken on a baking tray with baking paper, hit it with some light cooking oil spray and bake it in the oven for 25 minutes. And while that's baking, mix together light soy sauce, light sweet chili sauce, sriracha and honey. Now you can start cooking up your noodles as well, and while they're cooking, to a pan on medium to high heat, add garlic, ginger, diced capsicum, and once your noodles are ready, drain them, then add half of the sauce, mix it all together, and by now your chicken should be ready as well, so you can add that with the rest of the sauce, mix it together one more time, and top it off with chili, spring onions, sesame seeds, and enjoy. These sweet chili chicken noodles are so easy to make and the perfect meal prep that you will never get sick of. Grab your diced chicken breast, add paprika, pepper, salt. In a bowl, add corn flour with the same seasonings, add it to the chicken, then mix it around to coat the chicken completely. Then place the chicken on a baking tray with baking paper, hit it with some light cooking oil spray and bake it in the oven for 25 minutes. And while that's baking, mix together light soy sauce, light sweet chili sauce, sriracha and honey. Now you can start cooking up your noodles as well, and while they're cooking, to a pan on medium to high heat, add garlic, ginger, diced capsicum, and once your noodles are ready, drain them, then add half of the sauce, mix it all together, and by now your chicken should be ready as well, so you can add that with the rest of the sauce, mix it together one more time, and top it off with chili, spring spring onions, sesame seeds, and my 60-kilo weight loss journey, this burger was a staple in my diet. It's quick, easy, delicious, and just under 300 calories. Start by grabbing lean turkey mince and adding all-purpose seasoning, diced onions, smoked paprika, then mix it all together and form it into 4 equal patties. Then for the sauce, in a bowl add low-fat Greek yogurt, garlic powder, salt, pepper, lemon juice, vinegar, grated cucumber, and a little bit of parsley, then mix it all together. Now cook your patties on medium to high heat until they're nice brown and slightly crispy. Then I toasted Aldi brioche buns and assemble the burger by adding lettuce, tomato, the patty, equally distribute the sauce, add a bit more onions, and that's it. These are so easy to make and seriously taste so delicious. The tastiest low-calorie Biscoff protein banana bread that's under 100 calories a slice with 8 grams of protein. In a bowl, add 2 bananas, mash them up, then add almond milk and vanilla extract, then mix it all together. In a separate bowl, add plain flour, vanilla protein powder, baking powder, monk fruit sweetener or your choice of sweetener, cinnamon, and mix that together as well. Combine the wet and dry ingredients, mix them together, then pour them into a lined baking dish. Add melted Biscoff spread on top, swivel it around, then bake it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. This is optional, but for the frosting, I mix together low-fat Greek yogurt with protein powder. Once the bread is cooled down, add the frosting on top with some more melted Biscoff spread. Top it off with a crushed Biscoff biscuit. Cut into 10 equal slices and enjoy. These are seriously so soft and delicious.